Alright guys, so I'm going to do a video today on how to repair the screen on an Olympus 600. I don't know if you guys can see that. Try to get to focus. sp600uz. So I've got the replacement screen in, and from what I've been told, now on these, this had to come from China. It's better to get it with this case on there, because if you don't, spot with this little piece right here on there, or solder it on. So if you get it complete with the backing and all, you don't have to do that. If you don't, all they're going to send you is a screen, and you have to take the old case, the metal case out, and then right here you have to solder this little piece right here back on there. So I bought it with it. It was like $6, $7 from China. So we'll see. Now on this particular camera, you have several screws you got to remove. You've got one here, and I may not have the right small enough size deal, but there is a screw there. Let me find my right size bit. That should be right. So on this side here, you've got 3 screws. You've got one here, and one here. So I'll pull these screws out. They're real small screws, guys, so be careful with them. Try not to lose them. Alright, then you've got to flip it over. You got to screw right here under the speaker. Then you're going to slide this HDMI port out, and you should have 2 screws. I don't know how well you guys can see them on this camera. When you have a screw there and a screw there. The little HDMI port makes it a pain in the butt, but I can get it. Alright, we're going to turn it over, and there should be inside here, you're going to flip up the flash, and there's 2 screws that are against the side. You want to pull those 2 screws. They're silver. These are a little bit longer. Alright, then we're going to come over here. Just keep rotating it. There's another screw right here, silver screw. Alright, and then I saw a video where the guy was looking down, and there's this, okay, so also an HDMI port, there is another screw that's down. You need to take out. It's a black screw. Alright, and this should just lift off. I don't remember there being any screws in here. Oh yeah, and also where your little power button is, there's 2 small silver screws in there also. Right in there. Pull those out. Alright, now this should be ready just to pull off. There's going to be some ribbon cable. There we go. And that gets us to the screen part. Alright, so I got the screen out. There we go. Let's go ahead and plug this back in. Now this little piece here just lifts up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that little piece lifts up. And this goes inside there like this. And you close it down over it. And let's get some batteries in here. Alright, so the screen is working. Got my. So that's how you repair the screen on an Olympus sp600uz. Alright guys, so I got it back on. And we're just going to power it up. Make sure. Looks like everything works back here. Menu button. Right about the hand camera. Got a manual. Alright. So it looks like everything's working. I'm going to go ahead and put the screws back in. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the screws back in and get it all set up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it probably wasn't the most interesting. I don't know how well you could see it. I actually shot this on the actual other Olympus that I have. Same model, so I'm hoping it turns out pretty good. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, guys. I did some fishing today. This morning before the rain came in, didn't catch nothing. I think it's too hot probably. I don't know. But as you guys know, I'm here in Texas, so you know, 100+ degree weather every day, it seems like lately, with a bunch of rain. So it's starting to storm again here. So hopefully I'll have another video here soon. I'm not sure. I think it's going to be the one on me loading the games onto my on my little computer that I built for my gaming station. So hopefully I'll have that one coming up pretty soon on how to transfer it. It's going to be a real short, probably a short video. It's real easy. It's not too complicated. And I should have the other video up here soon of the Xbox, now that I got the hard drive put back in it, and let you guys know if it worked. So you guys have a good weekend. Thank you. God bless. We'll see you on the next video.